Hi there! My name is Zar Jaffe Kagiwa and I'm so happy to meet you. I'm 25 years old and I live in the beautiful country of the Philippines. I started learning English as early as when I was in preschool and have been speaking it for my daily and professional communications. That means I know what it takes to learn English. And I'm here to help you take the right steps to become confident and fluent. In my career as a teacher, I've had the amazing opportunity to teach around 250 students from 6 different nationalities. That's a lot of fun and learning. And guess what? About 93% of them reached their goals and improved their language skills. In our class, we'll focus on the 4 most important things: writing, speaking, reading, and listening. But don't worry, it won't be boring. We'll learn through pictures, videos, fun quizzes, and lots of games. And yes, there will be rewards waiting for you when you do a great job. You can expect our lessons to be fun, interactive, and positive energy. I want you to enjoy learning English and become someone your parents will be proud of. So, are you ready to start your English journey with me? Let's learn, laugh, and grow together. See you in our class. Bye.